Indian Buildings Congress Tripura branch ni Shakthar Mumbai Koktsisalo PWD ni conference hall Nogo Khlaijakha Indian Buildings Congress ni Philchidok Estate Seminer Pandawa Nare Okra Angi Manjakha Montri Sushanto Chaudhary Manjakha Indian Buildings Congress ni Tripura branch ni President Saibalkanti Nondi Vice Chairman Rotiranjan Debnath Tangphang Bishwajit Das Akosong
Request Engineer Ronjit Kumar Mujumdar Former Director
1992 Bishuwa Songsa Jakmani Indian Buildings Congress Aba Haikeno 2005 Bishni Simi Hasteo Himnani Chengmani Indian Buildings Congress Koktsisalo Indian Buildings Congress Tripura branch ni Shakthar Mumbai PWD ni conference hall Nogo Khlaijakha Indian Buildings Congress ni Philchidok Estate Seminer Aba Haikeno Ashalo Seminer Pandani Logi Khlaijakha Jol Jibon Mission Tei Construction Chamungna Tei Kaisa Workshop Panda Pandawa Nare Okra Angi Manjakha Montri Sushanto Chaudhary Manjakha Indian Buildings Congress ni Tripura branch ni President Saibalkanti Nondi Vice Chairman Rotiranjan Debnath Tangphang Bishwajit Das Akosong
Engineer Deepo Jyotinath
Indian Building Congress, which was established in 1992 in Delhi, has got its branch across the country and started its journey in Tripura in 2005. And since its inception, what I am told, actually I was not very much acquainted about this, but when Mr. Soibal Nandi and Biswajit Babu approached me few days back in Secretariat regarding this and appraised me about this program, I was a bit confused what exactly needs to be uttered here. But when I came to know about this particular organization, which has been imparting technological knowledge to the people in order to bring development in our country. And in short, I must say that engineers plays a pivotal role in bringing an infrastructural change in a particular state, in a particular country. So you people are the instrumental in bringing a change and for the development of our state as well as our country. So, as rightly depicted by the Secretary Biswajit Babu, Biswajit Das, that I had cancelled my flight journey and rescheduled it at 11:50. So I am running out of time. So I don't want to take much time here. I wish you all the best in your future endeavor. And whenever being a minister of DWS, drinking water and sanitation, I think there are two sessions here, technical sessions, and on DWS also you have to address a session by the experts, I think. So these people, they will describe everything in nutshell or elaborately whatever. But being a minister of DWS, I must urge upon the engineers who are involved with DWS department that we have achieved a lot, starting from 2.5% in the year 2018, and now we are 53% so far, providing FHTC connection to each and every household are concerned.
Engineer Subhash Chaudhary
11:30 to attend our program. I am very much thankful, sir. Thank you very much.
Rajakor Aguli Nishmi Pranamni Koktum Chini Khorang